In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully list and publish an item for sale on Facebook Marketplace. First, we're going to start by connecting to Facebook through the familiar power of Google. Simply open your preferred web browser and go to the Google homepage. Now enter Facebook Marketplace into the search bar and hit enter. You'll likely see it as one of the top search results, so go ahead and click on it. Once you're there, the next step is to navigate to the Marketplace icon. It usually resides conveniently on the left-hand side of your Facebook homepage. Clicking here will transport you into the bustling world of buying and selling within your community and beyond. Now, it's time for the fun part, creating a new listing. You'll find the option to create new listing prominently displayed. With a simple click, you're on your way to showcasing what you have to offer. With your new listing setup underway, you now need to select Item for Sale. This choice will cater the available options specifically to your product and make it easier for potential buyers to find. Following that, you'll be directed to upload photos of the item you're selling. Either click on the upload button or simply drag and drop your images into the designated area, then watch them appear live on your listing. Remember, clear, well-lit images can make a big difference and attract more interest. Once your photos are set, the next task is to fill in the highlights of your listing. Think of this as your chance to truly capture what is special and unique about the item. Provide clear and concise highlights such as the product's condition, brand, or any standout features that will resonate with potential buyers. After you've typed in these highlights, click to select the appropriate category. For instance, if you're selling anything related to vehicles or their parts, click on Auto Parts. Choosing the best category ensures that your item reaches the right audience. Next, indicate whether the item is new or used, which helps establish customer expectations regarding quality or imperfections. Almost there now, you'll want to review all the details you've inputted to ensure accuracy. Once confident, click the Next button to proceed to the final step. Here comes the satisfying moment, publishing your listing. With one more click, your item will go live and will be viewable on Facebook Marketplace, ready for interested buyers to send inquiries, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully launched your listing. Keep an eye on your messages for any potential buyer questions or offers. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your selling endeavors on Facebook Marketplace.